It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT Power Boost. This is a hybrid. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and it has a 35 kilowatt hour motor and a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. So you use both the battery and fuel to propel the vehicle. And you also have these nice running boards. It's the gray exterior with the black interior, seating for 5. And you also have the mobile office in the center, tonneau cover, level kit, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and this is a Power Boost. It's a full hybrid, so it has a 35 kilowatt hour motor, and it has a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. It's an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, and the B&O badging for your audio system, and power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have carpeted mats, electronic parking brake, power pedals, gas cap release, high mount lighting, LED side view mirror spotlights, and the tailgate release. There's a running board and a grab handle. That just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is lane keeping and cruise control, your volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start. So foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're gonna push the engine start stop button. You're gonna see that ready, and that's because this is a hybrid. So it uses the battery, and you're seeing it says electric driving. So the battery's when we're idling or about to propel, and then the gas will kick in. You don't have to plug it in, you don't have to do anything, it just automatically does that for you. And then in the center here, we've got the Pro Power on board, and then you also have your camera. Now we're not in gear, this is just giving us a look around. And so here we are in space, and this is the view that we have out front before we head out. Hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. And then we're going to say not now for what it wants to program. We have our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then we have navigation, and the map will come up. We can choose our destination. We can go into settings, and as you slide through, there's different options, and they all have sub-menus. And then in your features, you're going to find your owner's manual, and also your power flow, towing, zone lighting, Pro Power on board, so you can charge up things while you're traveling. And it'll just tell you what the wattage is. And then you also have driver assistance. And in our power flow, it's just showing us right now the engine's on, the heater setting's on because it was cold when we first got into the vehicle, and it's idling right now, and there you go. So it's just letting you know where's your power going. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, now we're in gear for reverse, we're seeing where we are in space, and out the back, center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. So let's put us back into park, volume and tuner, and then we've got the dual climate control, dual heated seats, as well as the front and rear defrost, and there's your fan, USB-C and USB, and a little cubby place to put items. Off to the side, Pro Power on a Pro trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and you've got your drive mode with your 4x4 and locking differential in the rear. And then for the drive mode, we just dial through. You're going to see it on the dash. So there's normal, tow haul, eco, and the icons change, sport, and then we're going to go back around the other way, slippery, and it shifts into 4x4 because we need more traction, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So depending on the road conditions, weather conditions, where you're going, what you're doing, you would use different drive modes to get more or less traction or control. And then you've got your automatic shifter, and you can make it go down, and you've got a couple of cup holders. And the reason you do that is you have a mobile office. So this just opens up and gives you lots of room to put your lunch on or do some work, but you don't lose the storage underneath. You just unclip, and there's a nice little bin. You take that out, lots of room down below, and you throw whatever you need in there. And let's bring this back up, just push that, 12 volt, and you've got a 120. And then you've got your 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking, grab handle in the body, and then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and the power sliding window in the rear is controlled by that button. 20-inch wheels and the Power Boost badge letting you know that this is a hybrid. Black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. Nice tonneau cover, and just above the handle is where your backup camera is located, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, as well as a trailer hitch and locking spare tire. And then you can double click your fob to bring down that tailgate. Now it might be hung up a little bit on that tonneau cover, and it'll come down easily. and it's got a nice spray-in liner as well. You've got a tailgate step, and that yellow button pulls out to create a handle, so it makes it easier to get in and out. Of course, you've got that tonneau cover. You can just release it and open it up if you wish. You've also got 2 measuring sticks, metric and imperial, and you've got a place for clamps. So if you want to do a little work back here, you can. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, and the B&O badging for your audio system, plus the power windows, grab handle in the body, and there's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You just lift the seat with one hand, and it gives you more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, simply pull the tab, anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, carpeted mats on the floor, and some pockets on the back of the front seat. You also have a couple of cup holders, and there's also the 12-volt air vents on each side, USB outlets plus the 120, grab handle for the driver's side, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Tailgate step in the rear, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.